We'll guide you through how to hard reset an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So for whatever reason you want to perform a hard reset, it's important to note hard reset can go and mean different things, and we're going to cover the different meanings. The first way is simply going and deleting everything from your iPhone and resetting it to factory. Or alternatively, if you're finding your phone is frozen, it's unresponsive, the screen isn't working, a hard reset can simply go and restart it without needing to go and touch the screen and hopefully go and resolve problems. So there are two different meanings and we'll cover how to do them both. So first of all, if you're looking to go and remove everything from the iPhone and you want to go and have a fresh start, to go and do that, you need to go and find the settings app like so and open it up. Next, you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for general like this. Then you need to go and scroll down and you can find the option transfer or reset iPhone. And then what you can do is press erase all content and settings. So you can go and see that this is going to erase the iPhone. It's going to sign you out of your Apple account, remove your personal data so the iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. So you need to read this through and you can press continue and follow through with the steps. You can go and press erase iPhone. However, you may not be looking to do this. You may be looking to go and perform a hard reset because the iPhone's frozen, it's not working, or there's another problem, you have to try fixing it. And often doing this, we can go and solve it. This is also known as a forced restart. So to go and do this, we're going to do a button combination. And that is the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side button. So to do that, we're going to do it all quickly and consecutively. Volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side power button. You're going to go and see this screen here, as you can see. You want to go and keep it held down though, and you keep it held down until I say so. And that is going to be when we go and see the Apple icon. So it shouldn't be much longer. And as you can see, there it is. You can then release. Now it's going to go and start again. So often if you're facing a problem where it's frozen, it's not working, this will go and solve it. It shouldn't go and take too long to start. I do find though that the older iPhones do take a bit longer, whereas if they're newer, they're a lot quicker to go and start again. So it shouldn't be much longer. And as you can see, it's now back on. When you first go and do this, you'll need to go and enter in your passcode when the iPhone restarts. You can't use Face ID. And there we go. So it's now back on. So hopefully the problem you were trying to solve has now been solved. Or if you were trying to go and reset the iPhone and delete everything, you've successfully done that as well. That's already a few different options you've got there. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I hope you found this useful. And if you want to go and see more, check out the channel. We post how-tos every single day. So I'm sure you'll find something which is helpful.